Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Kayla's Curls video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a twist out. It's finally time for another hair video. I know you guys have been waiting and holding onto your seats for the next hair video. So anyways, let's get right into it. So I started off by washing and conditioning my hair. I did deep condition my hair for like, I don't know, 10 minutes. And then I rinsed it out. And yeah, and then I just used this cotton shirt to tie up my hair and let it, get that excess water out of it. And I don't have a microfiber towel, so I had to go with a cotton t-shirt. Anyways, today I will be doing a different type of a twist out. I'm going to be using different products that I have not yet shared with you guys here on my channel. The first thing that I'm going to be using is this L'Oreal Paris, and this is the Dream Lengths, and this is the Super Curls Cream, and it says deeply nourishes and tames frizz, high definition without the crunch. So we'll be using this as a cream. So this is the Pantene flexible wave gel, okay, and this is flexible gel. It builds touchable texture, so I'm going to be using this as the gel. And if you are familiar with my twist out videos, I barely use gels for a twist out, so this is going to be really interesting, and let's all cross our fingers that my hair doesn't get too crunchy when I'm taking down the twist. Today I'm actually going to be using these foam rollers on the ends just to give a little curl at the ends. So like I said, I washed and conditioned my hair already, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to section my hair in half now. So now that I've sectioned my hair in half, I'm going to go in with this Dream Lengths Super Curl Cream by L'Oreal Paris. It smells amazing, and as you can see, it's like a looser type of cream. It's not really too thick. So what I'm doing is I'm just applying it to my hair. I'm not really doing anything special. I think what I might do is I might do like 4 twists on each side. So we'll see where this takes us. Alright, so now that I have applied the curl cream, I'm going to start by sectioning off where I want my first twist to be. And the sections don't have to be perfect because you're doing a twist out, but like, I don't know, I just felt like doing it perfect just now. My hair is nice and moisturized, might I add, from that cream there. It feels really good, and you can see it has some good definition on my curls, which is always a A++ when it comes onto any product that you use. Now I'm going to be using this paddle brush just to detangle, and I did detangle in the shower, but gotta make sure it's detangled everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my wave gel by Pantene, and yeah. And I'm not gonna put too much, just a little. Like I said, you don't want to have your hair too crunchy when you're doing like a set style, because it will not look good. It will just look crunchy. And then I just take my hair and separate it into 2, like that. And then you could start like this way or this way. Totally up to you, but I like to go this way if it's like near to my face. That way it's not like over here. So yeah, so I just start by taking this section and putting it under this one, like so, and I just grab it, and all you're doing is twisting, almost like it's 2 ropes. So just like so. Pretty simple. I've given you guys a couple of other twist out videos with like different products I've used in the past, and I'll definitely put some up here. So here's that first twist. As you can see, it's looking nice and moisturized. And look at that ponytail, isn't that nice? And I'm gonna take a roller, and I don't think it really matters what size you go for. I'm just gonna like aim for the small ones, like this one, and then you just take your roller and I like to wrap it like this. Okay. Just like that, and then I just go over under the twist like so it doesn't have any hair falling out, and then I just close the clip just like that, and there is the first twist. So now this is pretty much it. That's pretty as simple as it gets to do twists. If it was flat twists, it would be a different story. But twists are pretty easy. I think that's like the first thing you should try learning to do if you don't know how to braid. Twists are the easiest things to do on your hair. That is pretty much it for this part. I will be back when my hair is completely dried, and we will take down the twists from there. So I'll see you in a bit. So this is the following day. My hair is finally fully dried. So here we go, a quick spin around of my hair. Now I'm just going to be taking shea butter for some slip. This will help to eliminate any frizz that may happen while you're taking down your twists. And I'm just going to be using this shea butter that I got from Amazon. And I'm starting off by taking off the foam roller, and you want to take your time when taking down your twist, because this also does help with eliminating that frizz, because we do not want a twist out with so much frizz because it does not look cute. Okay. So now I'm taking down my twist, and all I'm doing is stretching out that curl at the end, and I'm unraveling the twist the opposite way from when I twisted it. And as you can see, I am taking my time, and you could see there is little to no frizz. And like I said, taking your time really does help to give the best result when it comes onto a twist out. So I'm going to go ahead and speed through me taking down these twists, because girlfriend, we don't want this video to be too long. So now that I'm done taking down the twists, I'm going to go ahead and start separating. And all I'm doing is grabbing individual pieces, little strands, and just wrapping it around my finger a little, just to keep the nice uniform shape of the curl. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that on one side and then show you after how it looks. So this is how it looks. As you can see, it gives more of an elongated and more of a volumized look, which is what I really like. And then boom, both sides done and volumized and elongated and ready for the next step. And all I'm doing is I'm just pulling my hair and just playing with a little bit just to add a little more volume. And then I used a wide tooth comb to just fluff a little bit more, because if you guys have seen my wash and goes and twist outs, I actually really like to fluff my hair to give extra volume. And then I'm just going in with my hands just to make sure I got it the roots, because sometimes you cannot reach with the combs that you use. So yeah. Alright guys, so here's what my hair looks like now that I've fluffed and I have separated. So you can definitely stop here at this point, but I'm going to actually style my hair and do a little bit of my edges. So I'm going to be using the same Pantene gel to style my edges, and I'm not doing anything special. I'm just adding a little swoop there at the temple area, And after I do this, I just use a bobby pin just to kind of pin down the side to give a little bit of a look. And I'm going to go ahead and do that for both sides so that it looks nice, neat, and styled. So I will be back once I have completed the look. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished hairstyle. Tell me what you guys think. I think my hair came out bomb.com. Tell me what you guys think about those two products, the gel by Pantene, and then of course that L'Oreal Dream Curls cream, or not, Dream Lengths cream. So yeah, guys, this is the finished hairstyle look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will definitely be back for more hair videos. And yes, I just had to come up and do a makeup look real quick to put everything together. You know what I mean? Show y'all the drip drip. And don't worry, you guys will definitely see this makeup look in another video. So make sure you're subscribed, you hit that like button, and you stay tuned for more content. You will definitely be seeing the full makeup tutorial on this look. Anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed watching. If this is the first time of you seeing my face, hit that red subscribe button down below and hit that notifications bell so you will be notified every single time Careless Curls uploads here on YouTube. So until the next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and have a bomb day.